You need to hear this if you're a business owner. Vulnerable APIs and bots are costing companies billions every year. Businesses are losing up to $186 billion annually due to vulnerable APIs and bot attacks. That's a staggering 11.8% of global cyber incidents. APIs power everything from mobile apps to e-commerce, but without proper security, they're gateways for cyber attacks. Impress IT Solutions is at the forefront of cybersecurity, securing APIs and defending against sophisticated bot attacks. Last year, bot attacks surged by 88%, and it's not slowing down. From credential stuffing to DDoS attacks, bots are wreaking havoc. For large enterprises, managing hundreds of APIs is a nightmare. But with Impress YT Solutions, you get full visibility, ensuring no API goes unmonitored. Our advanced bot management solutions protect your most vulnerable points. Don't let cyber threats drain your business. Contact Impress IT Solutions today and secure your digital future.